Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2020 Chevrolet Camaro SS. This specific one is the 2SS trim level with the 10-speed automatic. This one I love. It's it's an unbelievable car. Take a look at the sticker. So this one is Red Hot. That's the color name over Adrenaline Red interior. Take a quick look at the sticker. You can kind of pause the video and see that as you like. Total price on this one comes to $46,475. This one, of course, because it's the SS, is fitted with the 6.2 liter V8. And it is a phenomenal powertrain. So looking over some of the more unknown features, you have a really nice duct here that's used to help provide some more downforce. You can see it goes straight through over to the wheel. Really aggressive front end. For 2020, they decided to make this all body color and put the bow tie up top. Really nice wheels, and the calipers here are 4-piston Brembos. This is a staggered setup, meaning that the front tires are narrower than the rear, but that's what a sports car should be like. Go ahead, pop the trunk. You'll see there's a ton of room in here. It's really deep. It goes really far in. So this could be your daily driver if you so desire. Really nice rear spoiler. It's not a lip spoiler like many of the competitors. It is risen up above the rear deck lid, and it looks phenomenal. As I'll state in the drive, you can see the camera up on the shark fin antenna. That is your virtual rear view mirror. So because Rearward visibility, just due to the nature of the car, is a little limited, they fitted it with the virtual rear view mirror. That doesn't function as your backup camera. There is a separate camera here for your dedicated backup camera. We'll go ahead, hop inside. Really nice Camaro kick plate. Interior is really well done. Nice red contrast stitching with red leather here. You have your ambient lighting. You can configure that to your heart's content. SS logo put on the leather seats here. These are ventilated and heated. You also have a heated steering wheel. You have a heads-up display and everything one would really need. She sounds amazing. So let's go ahead, take it for a drive. All right, and now on to the drive of this 2020 Camaro SS. Oh yeah. Love the red leather accents all throughout. Absolutely awesome. Some ambient lighting. Link to drive mode. Oh, that's sweet. Demo mode. So that goes through all of them. Pretty cool. All right. So after just driving this to get here, I'm already in love with it. Really an awesome car to drive. I'm gonna keep it in track mode with the paddles because this is a new car, so I want to respect the break-in period. I might be able to get on it once or twice, but I'm not gonna beat the crap out of it. So rearward visibility is definitely aided by this virtual rear view mirror. There's a camera on the shark fin antenna that's located right there. So any issues with rearward visibility are gone right there. Even the 3/4 angle, it's not bad for the segment whatsoever. And I think the best part about this car is the sound. This is, I believe, the best sounding muscle car. While the other two sound excellent, frankly, ain't got nothing on this. I mean, just the overall presence this car gives is unmatched by anything else. I love the view over the hood. It's very reminiscent of the C7 Corvette. This 10-speed automatic is fantastic. I have no complaints whatsoever with this transmission. I mean, it's an excellent transmission. If you do want the manual transmission, that is still an option for 2020. This one that we have in inventory is just fitted with the 10-speed. This also has the adaptive exhaust, so you can go into your settings and decide what exhaust mode you want to be in. You can also link it to your drive mode, so if you're in comfort, it's going to tone down, when you're in track, it's going to fully open up. Driving mode, engine sound, so you have... I'll try stealth for a little bit and see what happens. So it's definitely a noticeable difference between the modes. I mean, just keep it in track all the time. That's what I would do. Such an amazing sound. I cannot think of another muscle car that has this good of a sound. Well, GT350 has this beat, but that's in a league of its own just because of the flat plane crank. But this sounds absolutely amazing. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.